Bears halftime quick recipe show playoff edition. It does not include the Bears. The latest craze going around right now, take a bratwurst and you split it down the middle like a banana split, open it up, put cream cheese in the middle, put some jalapenos on the top, and then some shredded cheddar cheese on the top, and then you grill it. Hey, thanks, some stud muffin. I know I'm working on my figure lately. Got a bratwurst here, filleted open, filled with cream cheese, campfire candy though, topped with some cheddar cheese, and I grilled it. What that gave me here on my grill is, for a tailgating food, you're gonna wanna be able to pick it up and eat it so you don't have to put your beer down. I'm gonna be able to slice it up, eat it off the skewer as if it was a kebab. Let's take another look at these guys. Again, then go Birds. Psh, whatever, man. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I was going to do the halftime show during the Cowboys and the Niners game. And unfortunately, interfered. It's way more entertaining than watching the Dallas Cowboys play. I'm going to see Ancient Aliens live tonight. I'm pretty pumped about that. You're talking to someone who watches Ancient Aliens on the daily, going to watch Ancient Aliens live. It's going to be the coolest thing ever. Our campfire candy bratwurst on a stick. Let's try that. Oh my God, it's probably going to work. You guys check that out. Bratwurst, you got your cream cheese, you got your campfire candy, your shredded cheddar cheese. Yep, definitely get down on some of these right here, dude. Holy shit. This is a bratwurst, been split open, stuffed with cream cheese, Bruin barbecue, campfire candy. It's about 350, 400 degrees, 45 minutes to an hour. I would have showed you guys the prep, but I want to see Ancient Aliens tonight. Giorgio Tsoukalos, that's the coolest show out there. Bear down, bear down. As a Packer fan. What's he doing lately? Not the playoffs either. The TD's Bruin Barbecue Carne Sutra Brats. Make your weekend badass. Get your hands on some TDs. Put these TDs in your face. Jalapeno popper stuffed bratwurst. Put these TDs in your face. Make love to your meat.